Hey YouTube, how's it going everyone? So this video you're about to watch today, it's like a vlog style video. I recently did a private dinner back on pretty much New Year on January 1st for this lovely couple celebrating their first year wedding anniversary. And y'all let me know if y'all would like to see more videos like this, besides the more tutorials and everything else, vlogs, like this, or where I'm going to go do private dinners or, like what I've said before. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. All right, let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's time for another video. Back at you with another video, and today we are doing a private dinner here on the 901 Cravens channel. This is a type of video I've been wanting to do for a while now to show y'all what it's like being a private chef when someone requests one. And yeah, this is gonna be a fun night because they ordered a 3-course menu. Appetizer, entree, and dessert. And here go the list of the items right here that they're going to eat tonight. I even got my buddy here, T. She's in the phone right now. She's my assistant for tonight to help out. And I also have my friend Sean, who's a photographer who's going to help take pictures. It's time for me to start building a professional portfolio. Got my buddy right here. His name's Sean. Pikachu Camaro, best photographer in Memphis to help out with tonight with the 901 Cravens channel.
You like that? What's going on, y'all?
Yeah, but tonight it is a private dinner for two for them celebrating their anniversary. And I showed you the menu earlier. The appetizers are going to be stuffed mushroom caps. And I know y'all gonna say something about that. Forget y'all. Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Entree is gonna be lambs, lobster and shrimp, mashed potatoes, asparagus, and also for a dessert, cheesecake with a strawberry glaze. And this is their wonderful setup that's been decorated and designed. Isn't this lovely, y'all? Oh yeah, so do you got a business you want to shout out? Oh, you don't? Oh, I'm sorry.
This is just something that I do, it's not easy.
Okay.
Hey, I do it if they want to hire me.
Yes, ma'am. All right, and so the wife is the one who requested this, and right now she's currently getting ready. She said it's gonna take her the longest to get ready, so we're gonna time that for her, like about time she's about almost done. Then that's when we're gonna start cooking the food, because it's not gonna take the husband long, from what she said. Married couple humor. You ready, T? Yeah. All right, and so everyone, this is my friend T. If y'all don't know who she is, then head over to the personal channel to see Big T's, to see who T is. This is a buddy of mine. Little headache too, but yeah, she's my assistant for tonight.
Man, just do what you do, bro.
This is how I have fun.
Don't do that.
Yeah, you gonna have to cut that out yourself. Every time I record, it's raw and uncut.
That was the stuffing for the mushroom.
What's in the stuff?
Stuff.
So the stem of the mushroom that you break off, chocolate, cream cheese, Parmesan, seasonings, and garlic. From last video, I told you about that secret seasoning mix. I might tell y'all about it soon. Not yet, though. Have some babies. Oh.
They might have threw some parsley in the ranch.
shoot, do a presentation too for that. I don't know.
Came up out the womb of man with everything that you demand. You could say I had a plan way before I had a fan. Some would probably call it luck, I just call it being blessed. You ain't never did the work, but you wanna be the best. Lately I could never stress, never better yet. Might have had a thing for you, she know I'm the better bet. I digress, I let it rest, go and get another check. I could always see my future, I bet they could never guess. Guessing they get it, cause look at me now and then look at yourself in the mirror. I know they doubted my thesis, but they doubted Jesus, and right now I'm making it clear. Clearly these people don't know where they going, and lately I feel like the man with the map. I got this shit out the mud, you could give me the word and I'll probably give it right back. Back at the bus I was scraping the change, back in my head I was living a life. Back at my job I was losing the focus and trying to find ways to get back to the mic. All of this working ain't working, I feel like a liar and I cannot lie to my soul. I know the truth universal, so don't let me tell you, I know that a lot of you know. Spilling pieces of a poet, don't you know it, I'm the real thing, baby. And if it don't make $1, then how could it make a real change, baby? Spilling pieces of a poet, don't you know it, I'm the real thing, baby. And if it don't make $1, then how could it make a real change, baby? Ay. Came up out the womb a giant, you a lick and you a client. Now you got so much to say, I was hurting, you was quiet. Glory is as glory does, So you know the story, love. Never thought he'd be a legend. He was always sure he was. You was always naysaying. Some things never change. Spiritually, I never age. Feeling like 11th grade. Junior me, proud of me. Standing tall, towering. Doing things I never do. If I was living cowardly. Sushi roll, sour D. Song 3, hour 3. I don't even go to sleep. Know the Lord empower me. Wake them up, they sound asleep. They gon' hear the sound of me. When the money getting up, truly ain't no down in me. Finally get it, cause look at me now when they looking at me from the picture. They probably thought that I need them, or thought that I keep them. They lucky if I even miss them. Thinking that you got me figured, you figured it wrong, but it's okay, I truly forgive you. Lately I ain't got the time to be picking no fights when I'm trying to pick shit from the menu. Spilling pieces of a poet, don't you know it, I'm the real thing, baby. And if it don't make a dollar, then how could it make a real change, baby? Spilling pieces of a poet, don't you know it, I'm the real thing, baby. And if it don't make a dollar, then how could it make a real change, baby?
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think of it. Tell me if I should do more videos like this. Because next video I thought about doing, this was just the video of me doing a private dinner. Next video, I was going to probably talk about going over like how the private dinner is planned and this, that, and everything else. Just go over like what it's like being a private chef for hire. But that's it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you all. Bye-bye.